What's up, guys? Welcome to my Lifeyt. We're Baja bugging it again. Today we're gonna work on. We're gonna cut this bike frame up and see if we can use it for our steering in there, and then try to build the framework for our seat. Maybe we'll mount the body and I don't know. See what else we can get to. Maybe we'll get those foot pegs on the side too. Stay tuned. We're gonna start with the bike frame. We're gonna cut it. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to use the head tube and possibly these bars. I'm gonna cut it here and here, and then I'm gonna cut the forks off there and there, and then I'll extend this however far I need to go down to put the steering piece on there and have it stick up. I thought about using the bicycle seat, but I think I'm gonna be farther ahead to when I cut this. I'm gonna have to split, kind of like a mini bike does, and it goes into 2 bars. So I'm gonna have to split it off there to leave room so I can get the engine out of our Baja bug if something ever happens. So that's what we're working on. Alright guys, so inside the bug here, there's a crossbar here, which would be on the front side of the motor. And so what I want to do is I'm trying to take this crossbar, or this bar, and I'm going to try to run it to the front of that so I can weld it in there. So I'm going to have to trim out some more of this plastic. I'm actually going to take my time and mark it all out now because I have it trimmed down here. I'm actually going to recut the bottom to get it down to where it needs to be and actually mount the body. And then get this cut so that this will slide up to where that would need to be. And then I'll trim a little bit off the bottom of this bar. And then hopefully tie into this. I might have to end up just cutting this off here and starting over just because of where it's at. And it might not be high enough to reach over top of the motor. So what we ended up with is basically I had to cut most of this off to get it. That bottom tube wasn't going at the right angle to get it in here. So I'm leaving this piece on. Engine will be all the way, that's as far forward as it'll go. So this will be, basically right at the front of it. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna cut some out of the middle of it and have it wrap around the engine and build the frame towards the back. I'm just gonna cut the center section out of it, weld it back together, and then I got the carburetor and the exhaust that gotta still go in here, but the seat will be like right up here on this framework once I get it cut down, and then I can put posts off of this back side here, and then I'll put one back in off of the tube down to there, so that'll tie everything together. And then this will end up going down underneath the floor and hooking into the tie rods. We ended up cutting 11 inches out of the middle of this to get it to fit between here, and then those 11-inch pieces are like the perfect height to go in here. Go in here and hold up this bracket, or hold it all together. And then I think I'm just going to do away with that other tube that's on the handlebars and just weld it straight to here. So this will be the back, and this will be basically where the seat's going to sit, right up here. Alright, so here's our Baja Beetle. It's getting there. What we got done today, or this episode. Okay, it goes down through the floor down there. just have a few welds. I need to put some bracing from here down to the main frame down there. And then steering is hooked up. You can't see it real well, but it steers pretty nicely actually. We do have a few more braces and a few more things. A lot of the stuff isn't finished welded either, so it's getting there. It's getting there. Thanks for joining us, guys. If you want to check out the description below for Amazon links and for mylifeyt.com, we will see you in the next one.